ang inyong pagaminyo karon ana mitubag mo sa tawag sa Dios dias pahigugma sa usa pero kinini ang paghigugma dili gikan kaninyo kun dili gikan sa Dios o kini siya bunga lamang sa pina kada kung tawag nato nga mao ang pagkasumusunod sa Dios.
I've met Janelle when we were high school. Third year high school, we are classmates. And then he was a very shy type guy before. And he courted me 3 times before na ko siya gisugot. So, na-amaze lang ko kay shy kay siya nga person pero nagi siya courage na nanguyab sa ko og katulong.
Dugay-dugay jud po kuno niya gisugot, then murag taas-taas gid tong panahon pod. Dugay gid siya nag-yes nga mag-uyab mi. Anto to murag naamo pod sa best friend god nga mas nakaila pod sa kuha ba. Then mao pod toy nagkonsayaha nga uyabon lagi mag-uyab kami duha na, then mura pod siya na sa iyang best friend. Dito murag nadalas go siya, then antot kadugayan naka-develop pa gyud mi. Kasi napod gid mi duha. My husband, today to give you this gift, but to give you my heart for a lifetime. This is just the beginning of on forever. I love you now and always.
Congratulations! You're so beautiful! Thank you! Congrats!
Thank you, sis! Hold it. Open ako.
Wow!
Perfume! My dream perfume!
Wow, nice.
Thank you! This gift is a small compared to what you give to me every day. Sorry, love, sa akong mga mistake and thank you for choosing me. I love you, love. God bless.
Wow.
Thank you!
Sweet. Sweet.
Coming, Ken. And to Jason. Thank you, sis. And to
Cheers for the groom!
Hindi mo na ma-open. Grabe.
To my future wife, Junaline, ang naot ang talab nga dili ka mausab. Kung unsa akong nakita sa 15 years, tama ora gyud gyapon. I love you, I love Jesus Christ, kung ikaw na partner.
Kahit ngayon, nandyan ka na, di mapaliwanag ang nadarama. Handa ako.
Janelle, my high school sweetheart. 15 years ago, thank you for being so persistent and courting me. Even when I rejected you twice, you succeeded in your third attempt. I never thought that saying yes would lead to our forever. Thank you for 15 incredible years we've shared. Love those years filled with amazing memories, challenges, and growth.
You are my lover and my teacher. And you are my true counterpart. I will love you, love. And I vow to listen, learn, and sorrows will be mine for all our days. Today, surrounded by loved ones, I choose you to be my wife. I'm proud to be your husband, and I promise to always stand by your side no matter what happening brings. I love you, love.
Ngiti mo sa aking mga mata. Di hayang mawala. Tingin mo lang.
Kinahanglan sentro ang Dios. Kay ang kinabuhing kaminyoon kung wala si Kristo is no longer a Christian marriage. So kaninyo Junel o Junalyn ning special nga adlaw, congratulations kaninyo.
Ang nagustuhan din ako ni Junalyn is kanayang pagkapalaban, then pagkabuutan, o masimutanon sa kuha. O dako po kong pasalamat yun saya. Tungod sa iyang kabuutan o kamaayo, daghan kong nakatunan po sa akong kagalingon.
Hi, love. This is the moment. Kitagad na to ni siya for 15 years and finally, it's happening. Excited na ako sa tong future po. Kauban ka. And then, truly that, when the time is right, God will make it happen. I love you so much.